Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best weight distribution hitches available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're towing an RV, a cargo trailer, or a boat, these hitches promise smoother, safer rides and better control. You can find all the product links in the description below, so let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Fastway Connect Weight Distribution Hitch. This hitch is all about simplicity and functionality. It's equipped with hardened steel chains and round bar arms that distribute weight evenly across your trailer and towing vehicle, improving steering and braking control. This hitch is ideal for a variety of trailers, whether you're pulling an RV, utility trailer, or even a horse trailer. One of the standout features of the Fastway Connect is its easy adjustability. You can modify the hitch settings simply by changing the chain link connection to the trailer frame hook. No tools required. It's also a universal fit, so no drilling is necessary during the installation process. The build quality is solid, featuring a durable powder-coated finish and a max trailer weight capacity of 10,000 pounds. However, at 88.8 pounds, it's a bit heftier than some of its competitors, which might be a consideration for those who frequently remove and reattach their hitch. While it's a straightforward option for basic towing needs, it doesn't offer the advanced sway control features found in higher-end models. If you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable weight distribution system that's easy to install and adjust, this is a great entry-level choice. Just keep in mind it's best suited for lighter trailers. Coming in at number 4, the CURT 17601 TrueTrack 2P Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch is a strong contender for those looking for an integrated sway control system. Designed to handle up to 10,000 pounds of gross trailer weight, this hitch is a great option for medium to heavy towing needs. Its standout feature is the built-in sway control, which helps reduce trailer movement without requiring additional accessories. The TrueTrack uses round spring bars and a 7-hole adjustable shank to ensure precise weight distribution. Installation is relatively simple thanks to its tilting head design, which allows for quick adjustments without needing to disassemble the entire unit. The hitch is coated with a corrosion-resistant carbide black powder finish, ensuring it stands up to tough outdoor conditions. However, at 94 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which might be a drawback for users prioritizing portability. While the CURT TrueTrack does offer reliable sway control and weight distribution, it may not be as advanced as some higher-ranked models on this list. It's perfect for users who want a dependable, no-frills hitch with integrated sway control, but it lacks some of the finer adjustability features found in premium options. If you're towing in mild to moderate conditions, this hitch will serve you well. Taking the third spot is the Camco EAZ LIFT Recurve R3 Weight Distribution Hitch, a standout for its cutting-edge sway control technology. If you're looking for a hitch that combines exceptional engineering with user-friendly design, this is a fantastic choice. It features an innovative, adjustable sway control system that can be fine-tuned with a simple bolt turn. Plus, it offers an on-off feature for sway control, giving you the flexibility to disable it when reversing or navigating tricky conditions. Built from high-carbon steel, the Recurve R3 is both durable and lightweight, weighing in at 89 pounds. It delivers a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, with a maximum tongue weight of 1,200 pounds, making it suitable for larger trailers. Another notable feature is its quiet towing performance. Thanks to its advanced design, you won't have to deal with the creaks and clunks that often accompany traditional hitches. Installation is straightforward, and the patented top-loading spring bars provide excellent ground clearance. While this model offers premium sway control and smooth towing, it might be overkill for smaller trailers or lighter loads. Additionally, its price point may be higher compared to simpler models. That said, if you tow heavy loads or frequently drive in challenging conditions, the Camco Recurve R3 is worth every penny. Our runner-up is the Reese 49913 Integrated Sway Control Weight Distribution Kit, a fantastic all-in-one solution for those who want stability and ride comfort. This hitch is designed to handle up to 11,500 pounds of gross trailer weight, making it a great choice for larger RVs and heavy-duty towing setups. The system includes pre-installed hitch balls, tapered spring bars, and no drilled brackets for ease of installation. What sets the Reese 49913 apart is its durability and design. Made from high-strength alloy steel and finished with a corrosion-resistant powder coat, this hitch is built to last. The tapered spring bars ensure constant weight distribution across your axles, enhancing ride comfort and stability. The included lift assist bar makes installation less labor-intensive, which is always a bonus for DIYers. However, weighing in at 102.7 pounds, it's one of the heaviest hitches on our list, so keep that in mind if you'll be removing and reattaching it frequently. The Reese 49913 is ideal for users who need a robust, durable hitch for heavy loads. While it's not as feature-packed as our #1 pick, it's a close second for its reliability and ease of use. If you're serious about towing and want a hitch that will stand the test of time, this one is hard to beat. Taking the crown at #1 is the Equal-i-zer 4-point sway control hitch. This is the gold standard in weight distribution hitches, offering unparalleled sway control and stability. Its integrated 4-point sway control system is designed to resist trailer sway better than any other hitch on the market. With a maximum trailer weight capacity of 10,000 pounds, it's a versatile choice that works with everything from RVs to utility trailers. The Equal-i-zer hitch is engineered for safety and performance. Its weight distribution design effectively transfers tongue weight to all axles, improving steering and braking control. Made from high-strength alloy steel and finished with a durable powder coat, this hitch is built to last. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't rely on chains, which means less maintenance and a quieter ride. However, note that the hitch ball is not included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. This hitch is perfect for anyone who prioritizes safety and ease of use. While it's a premium product with a slightly higher price tag, its unmatched sway control and build quality make it worth the investment. If you want the best of the best, the Equal-i-zer 4-point sway control hitch is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.